Hello my dear students, today I am in front of you with another very interesting chapter of your course book. The name of the chapter is The Enemy. The Enemy is written by P.S. Buck. She was born in America and on 26 June 1892. Most of her life she spent in missionaries with sisters, and she was such a great American writer that most of her work is still very much read by the readers. Now come to the yes, she was died on 6 March 1973. I would like to tell you something about this story. That is, the setting of the story is Japan, and when the World War II was going on in 1941, the Pearl Harbor of Japan was attacked by American Navy. So this because of this attack, one of the sailor named Tom tried to escape from there, and he reached to a beach where a doctor was living. This doctor was very famous. He also studied in America, so he has, he was having a very good relationship with the Americans. But when he saw an American Navy person in front of him, he was dubious whether he should save him or he should try to, he should give it back to the army, Japanese army, because at that time Japanese were very hostile, and wherever they will see Americans, they will kill them, or they will, they will mistreat with them. So this was happening around 1941. The theme, if I talk about the theme of this story, I found several themes that I can discuss with you. Humanism. The first theme that I think is most appropriate, the most appropriate with this story is the humanism. Being a Japanese, but he was doctor also, he heard his profession. He heard his profession, that what is the ethic of his profession is to save someone's life. And Tom was in front of him, motionless. He was about to die if he would have not treated him. So he thought that I'm a human, then I am a doctor, and then I am a Japanese. So first my duty is to save this fellow who is very badly wounded. Another theme of this story I can found is patriotism. Patriotism means, if you read this story, you will find out that how much patriotic was his father, Dr. Sadao's father. He was very patriotic, and he was, when Tom entered in his house, you can see that the narrator is giving a view of that particular room and mentioning that this room was thoroughly occupied by the Japanese artifacts, Japanese things, because his father loved to spend time with those things. He was very down to earth. He was very much close to his tradition. So patriotism is in the sense also that the Dr. Sadao, when he hasn't started treating that Tom, he was thinking that I must be very clear that he is an enemy, all Americans are an enemy, and I have to hand over this fellow to the Japanese army. So he was thinking like that. And when he told about this to Hannah, who is his wife, she was also not sure what they have to do. And when the maid and servants came to know about this American Navy man, they all started leaving the job because they don't want to get into any kind of trouble. So next one is inner conflict. How this inner conflict is portrayed in this story, you can see that when he is talking to himself and talking to Hannah sometime, that what to do, how we can deal with this man. I want to save the life of this man, as well as I want to save my family as well. So he was very much confused. Later on, at the last, what happened? The humanitarian attitude of Sadao wins, and finally he saved the Tom. Now I will talk about some characters of this story. The very main character, important character of the story is Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is a surgeon, right? Who is a surgeon. and he studied in America. There he met with this girl Hannah. She is also Japanese, and they, after a courtship of few years, they came back to Japan and got married. Father of Sadao, he was Dr. Sadao was very much influenced by his father, and he always keep in his mind that how I can make him feel proud, I can make him feel happy. So he was always into that. So father of Sadao is there, and then we have Tom, who is the prisoner. Prisoner means he has been captured. He had been captured by the Japanese army. Then we have Old General. Old General is the person who has a trust only on Dr. Sadao, because he believes that only Dr. Sadao can treat him. Only he can give him such medicine that he can walk again. Then we have Gardener, Yumi, and Cook. Gardener is the servant of Dr. Sadao, Yumi is the maid of Dr. Sadao, and Cook is also there. So when these are the characters and setting, as I have already told you, the setting of this story is Japan, and especially the house of the Dr. Sadao. So my dear students, this is a brief sketch of this story, and I hope you would have understood it very well. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me, and meanwhile in my live session I will discuss, detailed discussion will be there of this chapter. Thank you so much, class.